Hey, little boy.
What?
What's going on?
This what's going on.
What are you doing?
Pulling nuts.
Oh, you putting screws together?
Yeah.
What do you do first? What goes on at first? That's right. Now what goes on next? What's that?
Nut.
Nuts next.
Nuts.
Try again. You can put it on. That's right. There you go. You got one. Okay. What do you do now? Which one do you get first?
A nut.
Screw.
Screw? A screw.
And what goes on the screw first?
A nut.
No. Washer.
What?
Tell the camera what you just did. Tell the camera what you just did. What did you do there? Did you make a screw assembly? Tell me. Tell me you made a screw assembly.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah?
3 screws.
Screw assemblies.
What?
3 screw assemblies.
What?
3
3
screw
screw
assemblies.
assemblies.
That's right. 3 screw assemblies.
I was making that one.
Okay. What do you get first? Nope. What's first? Then what?
See?
What is that? Okay, what do you get next? What goes on there?
Ah.
Washer?
Yeah. Black
No, that's a
washer.
lock washer.
Black washer.
Let me see. Did you put it on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then what?
Huh?
What now?
Yes.
Did you do that, Johnny? That's very good. Are you smart?
Yeah.
Okay, now you tell me what you're going to do. How many is there? How many screw assemblies are there now?
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's right. Now how many screws are left?
5,
Over here.
6.
How many screws are left here?
All finished.
How many are there? How many's left? Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I think you missed a
10,
few. Okay, get another
11,
screw.
12.
Try again. Make another one.
Black washer. What's that?
Lock washer.
What's this?
I don't know, I guess you hurt your finger. Okay, what next? What next?
A wash? No.
You got it. What are you doing, standing on my tool bench, boy?
Yeah.
How old are you?